drop off a Poplin order, and then I'm headed to a dentist appointment, and then I'll be on my way picking up another laundry. So I'm dropping off one now, then after my dentist appointment I'll be picking up one, and I'll show you the process of me dropping off and picking up. And let's go drop off. I'm getting close to my delivery. I picked her up yesterday. She was one who requested me, and the one I pick up later this morning. It's like 7:25 now in the morning. So I have one that I pick up around 10 this morning after my dentist appointment, and she was a person that also requested me. So I'm grateful for the ones that continue to request me, because your ratings are higher and most likely your pay is higher. So let's go do a drop off. Alright, here we go. Get this camera. Come on, camera. Oh. It's a chilly morning. Alright. So here we go. Getting this stuff out of my truck. For 1 second. Still jump off. Guys, drop off completed. On my way to my dentist appointment. Okay guys, I'm ready to pull up to my dentist. I'm a little early. I'm like 20 minutes early. My appointment's at 8. But I wanted to have some time to do my drop off on my Poplin order, laundry order. So I just sit in the car and just listen to something, maybe on TikTok or something. Let's park over here. This is a car here already. I'll park over here. Alright, I'll be back. Just picked up my second order. I forgot to film once I got here. But anyway, I'm putting it in the car now. And she has 2 bags. So let's get back to the house. Get started on getting this laundry done. Alright guys, I just got a notification for Instacart to go to either 2 different Kroger locations So I'm on my way to the closest one now, which they say is like little over 4 miles. So that's where I'm headed now.
Take the next left
to the Kroger's to see if I can get a Instacart order. So I guess today is going to be the life of a gig worker.
Take the next left to stay on Piccadilly Loop.
So let me
Drive.
cut this GPS off because I know how to get there. I need to cut it off. But anyway, it seems like this is going to be the day in the life of a gig economy worker. Yes, I do have my regular job.
Take the next left onto Constitution Drive, then turn right onto Washington Square Drive.
But I took off because I had a dentist appointment. Oh Lord, what in the world happened? Sorry, the camera fell.
Take the next right onto Washington Square Drive.
I took off because I had a dentist appointment. So I said, well, today, let's make it a gig economy
In 600
day.
feet, turn left onto Highway 17 South.
I dropped off a laundry order. I just picked up one. So now I'm in the process of getting ready to
Turn left onto Highway 17
go in an area where I can do an Instacart. So I'll be back when I get. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm at home. I went to Kroger's because they sent out the notification about getting orders. I went closer to Kroger's. I went to the Walmart close to it, and there was no orders. So what I did, I just came on home, and I'm about to start on this laundry. Okay, I have the laundry right here. She has 2 bags. When she first requested, she said 4 bags, but when I got there, it was only 2. I'm not complaining. So this is the laundry she needs. She needs the sensitive. She always asks for hyperallergenic detergent, and this is where I keep all of my supplies. This is where I keep my supplies, and these over here is the bags I put them in. But you can see I'm running low, so I just ordered some more laundry detergent. So let's get started on putting the laundry in the wash. So turn it on large load. It's on cold. You always have your laundry on cold. That's the rule. Always wash on cold. So put this in here. And sometimes, even though you don't have to, I add some type of softener or some kind of laundry beads. But because she asked for hyperallergenic, I don't add that to hers. Oh, this is white, so I'm gonna put this with the white clothes because I always put a bleach. Now I do want you guys to know that because, and I always use my gloves. I always use gloves. And I want you to know, because you don't have to use the extra item. All you required to do is use the detergent that they ask for. But I use extra because, you end up getting larger tips because the laundry is, much fresher. But I'm not going to put any, well, even though it's, what am I trying to say? Fabric softener already in this sensitive. I'm going to add bleach in her white clothes, even though I don't really have to. I'm not required to. So, but yeah, some people, they frown upon, doing this, but I tell them, if you work in healthcare, no matter what capacity in healthcare you work, you know, your doctor, CNA, LPN, RN, you know, you're gonna come across, and even in the lab or in, you know, most capacities in healthcare, you don't come across some type of things that you don't want to put your hands on. So doing laundry, it doesn't really bother me because I work in healthcare and I don't put my hands on things that can cause me harm when I work in healthcare. So this I just choose to do. All right, I got those all in the laundry, so I'll be back when they're finished. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about the lighting in this room, laundry room, but now I'm in the process of putting the laundry into the dryer. The first load has stopped, and I believe I'm gonna have about three to four loads. So now, like I said, I'm putting the clothes into the dryer. And the clothes in the dryer. Taking them out and putting them into the dryer. That's what I'm doing now. And I come back once I start folding. Sorry guys, I totally forgot about filming me folding the laundry. It's all packed up. I'm about to go deliver it now. Guys, I just pulled up to my second client that I picked up her laundry around 10 this morning. I'm getting ready to drop it off. So here we go. Stay as we get here. Put them in front of her door. Did the shop.
Drop off finished.
And I'm getting ready to drop it off. These people driving crazy out here. I have to pay attention. So that's what we're on our way to now, to do this drop off for this spot order, delivery order I just did. The kind that you have to go in the store and shop. So come with me. I'll be back once I get there. Alright guys. But I'm taking the stuff to the porch. Exactly.
Drop off finished.
What you're about to see now is the steps after delivering a Spark delivery order. It will ask you what type of home you delivered to, was there any problems, and was there a code, and it will also ask you to take a photo and where did you leave your delivery.